priming my eyes with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. It's just a white cream, and I'm using that as kind of like my eye primer. I'm going in with a white, and then I'm going to go in with this Makeup Geek shadow, White Lies, as a white base. I'm doing this because I'm going to be using some pastel colors, and I really want those to pop on my eyes and show up well. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm first going in with the shade Libra as my transition shade, and I'm just blending this all throughout the crease and just really buffing that out and kind of putting a lot everywhere and keeping it kind of high up because I want this to be able to show through the next color that we are going to apply. So next I'm using the shade Haze and just buffing this all on the outer corner and kind of winging it out just a little bit, and then just kind of buffing it in to the crease, and then going back in with that other brush I used to blend out the shade Libra with, and just blending Libra and Haze together until I'm happy with it. Next, I'm using the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Carefree. And I actually put a bit of this on a tray and used another brush to pack this all on my inner corner of the lid. And I'm kind of placing this a little bit high on my crease so that you can see it when my eyes are open still. And then for my face, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer. And then for foundation, I'm using the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, I believe it's called. And I'm blending this out with my Wet n Wild sponge, which I really am enjoying. I was using the e.l.f. sponge first, and I switched over to this, and this is definitely my favorite $3 sponge. And then next I'm just going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just putting this on all the normal places that I would apply concealer. And then blending that out with my sponge again. So next I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder, and I'm packing this on the under eye with my sponge, and then just putting this on the rest of the places where I put concealer with a brush. I put this on my under eyes like this so it would catch any fallout when I go to fix my shadows. So now that the Stila shadow has dried down, I'm putting on more of the Haze shade to blend this out on the edges, and then putting just a little bit more of the Stila color because I lost that a little bit during the blending process. And then I'm just wiping that powder away. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay Pressed Foundation Powder and setting the rest of my face. And then I'm going in with the NYX Glam Liner. This is like a pink shade in the shade, Glam Pink Rose Glamour. And just kind of putting this on top of that Stila shadow, and just to add some more sparkle to the look. And then I'm going in with the shade, what is this called? Dragonfly from Makeup Geek, and that is what I'm going to use as my contour. So I'm just putting that on with a Sigma F05 contour brush, and just putting this on all the regular places where I would put bronzer to contour my face and jawline, temples, and even my nose. And I'm just carving out that contour with the RCMA no color powder, whatever it's called. And I'm taking the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder and just brightening my under eye, and then kind of like using this to blend out that nose contour, and then I always just put this on my forehead and chin and everything. So now I'm going in with the NYX Epic Wear liner stick in the shade Blue Trip and using this to tight line, and I'm also putting this on my waterline. And I'm going in with the shade Haze again from the Huda Beauty palette and just buffing this on my lower lash line. And then next I'm going in with the shade Supermoon, and this is kind of like a cream to powder type of formula shadow, so I'm using my finger to place this on my brow bone as a highlight, and whoop, now I'm sneezing. Now I'm just dusting that RCMA powder away. And next I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow in this shade Moonstone, and I'm using this as my inner corner highlight. I'm just kind of blending this out with my finger and dragging it on the lower lash line. And then next I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Eye Glisten Foil and Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm not sure, oh, in the shade Yours Truly. I'm taking the glitter side and I'm kind of just placing this below my eye, kind of like in an upside down triangle format, and then just blending it out with my finger. And then I don't show the other side because my eyes started watering really bad. But then I'm taking the Ofra blush in Mai Tai and putting this on all the regular places where I usually put my blush. And then taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora highlight palette, I'm going in with the shade Orion. It's the blue color in this palette, and just highlighting all the regular places that I highlight my face, my cheekbones, on my temples, tip and bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm going in with the NYX Epic Wear Waterproof Eye Body Liquid Liner in the shade Lilac, and just doing some like fairy-like designs on my face. I saw this on Pinterest a lot. I don't really know exactly what this is, but you know, we're going with it. Now I'm just curling my lashes to prep for falsies, which I do apply, and I showed them earlier, the Ardell 113 lashes. And then I'm just using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and applying that on my lower lashes. And then taking these Wet n Wild Fantasy Maker face and body gems. They had like fairy colors, so I'm just taking this, like, pack had silver, pink, blue, and green, and then purple, so I chose to take the purple ones, and I put like 4 above my brows, as you can see that I'm doing here, and I'm just using eyelash glue to apply these. And then I'm taking one and putting it like right below all that like glitter teardrop thing I created earlier. So I'm just putting another one on each eye. And then putting one more on the like inner corner of my eyes. And then going back into that Aurora highlight palette, I'm taking the purple shade Spectra and just going over that liquid liner that we put on our face. And then going in with the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Confidential. It's a really pretty bright peach color, so I'm using this to line my lips and then fill them in completely. And now I'm applying the Carly Bible and Il Maquillage glitter lip gloss in the shade Twilight. And then after that, that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very Halloween look. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you in the next Halloween video. Bye.